Alright, so I thought I'd just make a little video on installing the raxiom taillight kit for a Mustang in the older Crown Victorias. Mine's a 94. Because it's insanely easy, I've found out. I thought I was going to have to cut this all up and put this controller on the factory harness, but it literally just plugs into the car. That plugs into the factory one, the same. All the lights go in, completely normal. The only thing that's different is the reverse light. So all you gotta do is cut off the raxiom reverse light, resolder the factory one on, and you're done. That's insanely easy. I was going to use these China delay module things, and I did. I had them all soldered into the factory harness, and it kind of worked. I have one video clip of it working, and the rest of the time it didn't work. It was terrible, so I decided, you know what, it looked kind of cool, so I'm going to spend the money. This was 260 bucks Canadian shipped for both sides of the car from American Muscle. And yeah, so once it's in the car and working, I'll show you. So there is another modification that you have to make to these before putting them in the car. This grommet here, when they're not side by side, I thought that they were the same size, but they're not. You see the Crown Vic one is quite a bit bigger. So I'm going to try and de-pin the connector and then slip these through the old one and try and put it on the car that way. I hope I don't have to cut the wires and resolder, but we'll see. I think those pins will just go through. And for those who don't know how to de-pin these, you just take this little tab that is right beside the connector. Those little tabs, pull them towards the center and then pull on the wire, and the terminal comes right out. Okay, so here's the Crown Vic boot on the raxiom harness. It does go on there. It takes a little bit of persuading to get the wires through it, but it was on there and fits, and now this is good to go in the car. Alright, everything's installed, so I'll just let you see what it looks like.